1. What does the non-destructive editing workflow primarily involve in Adobe Photoshop? A. Using raster effects only. B. Applying edits directly to the background layer. C. Using adjustment layers and smart objects. D. Flattening layers before exporting. 2. Which color mode is best for preparing an image for print in Photoshop? A. RGB. B. CMYK. C. Grayscale. D. Bitmap. 3. What is the function of the clone stamp tool in Photoshop? A. Duplicates layers. B. Copies pixel data from one area to another. C. Applies a gradient. D. Crops the image. 4. How can you apply the same filter to multiple layers without merging them? A. Use a group mask. B. Convert to smart object. C. Duplicate the filter. D. Flatten layers. 5. In Photoshop, which tool is best for precise edge selection in complex backgrounds? A. Magic wand. B. Quick selection. C. Pen tool. D. Select and mask. 6. Which Illustrator tool allows you to edit anchor points and handles directly? A. Shape Builder tool. B. Pen tool. C. Direct selection tool. D. Blob brush tool. 7. What does the Pathfinder's Unite function do? A. Merges selected shapes into one compound path. B. Divides the shapes into individual parts. C. Trims overlapping areas. D. Cuts paths into separate segments. 8. When working with typography in Illustrator, which feature helps evenly distribute space between characters? A. Tracking. B. Kerning. C. Baseline shift. D. Justification. 9. What is a compound path used for in Illustrator? A. Creating textures. B. Combining paths to form holes. C. Filling gradients. D. Exporting SVGs. 10. How can you create a seamless repeating pattern in Illustrator? A. Use the Image Trace tool. B. Use the Pattern Options panel. C. Apply a clipping mask. D. Flatten transparency. 11. What is the primary purpose of a master page in InDesign? A. Adding captions to images. B. Applying consistent layout elements across pages. C. Exporting print-ready files. D. Creating hyperlink references. 12. In InDesign, what tool is used to thread text frames together? A. Text tool. B. Type on a path tool. C. Selection tool. D. In-out ports. 13. What is the function of preflight in InDesign? A. To preview the final PDF. B. To spell check the document. C. To detect potential output issues. D. To apply paragraph styles. 14. Which export format is best for creating interactive documents in InDesign? A. JPEG. B. EPUB. C. PNG. D. TIFF. 15. What feature in InDesign allows consistent formatting of paragraphs and text? A. Object styles. B. Character styles. C. Paragraph styles. D. Layout grids. 16. What is the purpose of nesting sequences in Premiere Pro? A. To import multiple projects. B. To group and organize timelines. C. To apply global effects or edits. D. To export high-res images. 17. Which tool in Premiere Pro is used to adjust audio levels directly on the timeline? A. Razor tool. B. Slip tool. C. Pen tool. D. Ripple edit tool. 18. What does the warp stabilizer effect do in Premiere Pro? A. Enhances color. B. Reduces flickering. C. Stabilizes shaky video footage. D. Adds motion blur. 19. What is the function of the adjustment layer in Premiere Pro? A. Adds captions. B. Applies effects across multiple clips. C. Renders the sequence. D. Adds transitions. 20. How can you link audio and video clips together in Premiere Pro? A. Use the sync button. B. Group the tracks. C. Right-click link. D. Use the audio mixer. 21. What does the parenting feature do in After Effects? A. Renders child layers first. B. Links layer transformations. C. Deletes nested compositions. D. Adds a null object. 22. What is a precomposition in After Effects? A. An audio template. B. A project file. C. A nested timeline of layers. D. A script for rendering. 23. Which panel is used to apply and manage effects in After Effects? A. Effects controls. B. Composition panel. C. Timeline. D. Layer properties. 24. What is the function of keyframes in After Effects? A. Triggering scripts. B. Managing audio levels. C. Animating layer properties over time. D. Converting fonts to outlines. 25. What is the role of the graph editor in After Effects? A. Managing script timing. B. Editing text layouts. C. Adjusting interpolation and motion curves. D. Cropping layers. Adobe Certified Professional. The Adobe Certified Professional test is a globally recognized certification that validates foundational and intermediate level skills in Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. Designed for students, aspiring creatives, and entry-level professionals, this test assesses proficiency in essential tools, design principles, and real-world project workflows. It demonstrates an individual's ability to create, edit, and manage digital content effectively, aligning with industry standards. Earning this certification not only boosts a candidate's resume but also opens doors to academic and career opportunities in fields like graphic design, digital media, video production, and marketing. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Career readiness. The certification validates practical, job-ready skills in Adobe Creative Cloud tools, making candidates more competitive for roles in design, marketing, and multimedia industries. 2. Industry recognition. Recognized by employers and educators worldwide, the credential highlights a professional's creative and technical proficiency with Adobe software. 3. Portfolio enhancement. Certified individuals can showcase their verified skills in resumes and portfolios, increasing credibility when applying for internships, jobs, or freelance work. For academic advancement, the certification can fulfill school or program requirements, help with college admissions, or earn credit in digital media courses. 5. Confidence and motivation. Preparing for and passing the test builds creative confidence and encourages continued learning and professional development in digital design fields.